Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive Canberra, Sydney. Got a Porsche Panamera here. I've got jack stands. I've got this is my project cars. Sometimes I've got dead cars and projects that I can't do in the workshop because of the actual. If I do strip it down, I can't move it around. So I've got this. Then I take these vehicles are in the actual storage. I've got a storage area. Then I've got my other cars, the other project cars here as well. So today I'm doing the actual air struts. I took the air struts out and replaced it. Here, this is the front air struts done. This one here is done. Right hand side. And the left hand side's done as well. Here. Just a few screws on top, 3 screws on top, 1, 2, 3, that one there, that one there, that one there. Be careful you don't break the coolant line. You can disconnect it, you can just move out of the way a little bit. And 2 connectors here, just one here for the PASM shock, and this one here is for the actual airline, for the nitrogen to go in, and this is your connector, electrical connector sensor for the shock. Alright, same on the other side there as well. For the rear I'm doing today here, that's the old one. They're all leaking. Pretty much leaking pretty bad. That one there as well. But now I'm doing the valve. If you're doing the shocks, the air springs, always replace the valve blocks. So this is my new valve block here. This one here is pretty burned out as well, smells burned. So I'm going to replace this one. That one, on the Panamera, if you're wondering where the valve block sits, it sits here. Valve block sits on here. The little bracket, there's 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3 on top there. And the valve blocks sit here and the airlines are here. For the valve blocks, and the connector just sits on top there. Alright, and this is the air compressor. This air compressor has been changed before from a different workshop, and the car was told to me to get it sorted out. And so they've done the air compressor, which is good. Brand new air compressor they've done, and then I'm just going to finish it off and do the calibration and gas refilling and all that stuff. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.